Welcome to St. Joseph English Medium High School, Vijaypura. Hello everyone, I am Shabana Sheikh and I will be dealing with 8th grade mathematics. I have completed my MSc B.Ed. I have been in this teaching field for about 20 years now and have gained a lot of experience and knowledge by teaching in several schools. But I must admit that in spite of me being teacher for many years, the curiosity and eagerness of all my children to learn new things has taught me tremendously. Hello my dear students, a very warm welcome to a new academic year. I hope you all are doing great. I am Shabana Sheikh and I will be teaching you mathematics. I can assure you that this year is going to be very interesting and you will be gaining lots and lots of knowledge. I hope you are staying safe at home. I know these times are quite difficult, but look at the brighter side. You can turn it into an opportunity and utilize this time to its fullest and come back to school as a better version of yourself. Wish you all the luck and success in life. May you all come up with flying colors. Looking forward to meet you. Thank you. As for this year, we will be studying 3 things under mathematics. That is arithmetic. Arithmetic is the branch of mathematics that deals with the study of numbers using various operations on them. Geometry. Geometry is a branch of mathematics that studies the size, shapes, position of angles and dimension of things. Algebra. Algebra is the study of mathematical symbols and rules for manipulating these symbols. In the first semester, we will be learning the following chapters. Chapter number 1, Playing with Numbers. 2, Rational Numbers. 3, Linear Equations in one variable. 4, Understanding Quadrilaterals. 5th, Square and Square Roots. 6th, Algebraic Expressions and Identities. 7th, Practical Geometry. The chapters for second semester are Cubes and Cube Roots, Exponents and Powers, Data Handling, Direct and Inverse Proportions, Introduction to Graphs, Factorization, Visualizing Solid Shapes, Comparing Quantities and Mensuration. I guess you have already been told how to study. Let me just add a few more tips. Prepare your own timetable. Try to follow it punctually. Do not misuse the cell phone and do not trouble your parents. I know you all are very good children. Keep yourself involved in useful activities and have lots of fun.